pretty windy today. It's like 70 kilometers per hour or something. It's crazy. It's time for another vlog, and today we're going location scouting for a new client of mine. We plan on shooting an editorial for her new spring-summer collection in February. So we need something that looks like summer but isn't. One location is quite close to me, so that's where I'm heading right now. And I'm going to talk a little bit about location scouting. So I arrived at the location, and what I'm going to do now is look at spots that look good and fit the mood board, and then take a quick picture with my phone. That's basically it. Send it to my client and show her how it looks like. So that's what I'm going to do now. So can I manage to hold my phone with one hand? Supposedly so. Okay, I like this vibe a lot because we have different colors and it fits the mood board just perfectly. Maybe we zoom into this one. Okay, just a quick tip for location scouting: bring like solid boots, because you literally never know what terrain you will end up with. It's pretty wet here. One thing that is very important when it comes to location scouting is finding locations in your area that you wouldn't think are from your area. This looks like definitely not like from my area. Like, can you see the stones down there? We will go down there. And that's like the beauty of it. Obviously, if you have like a big client, they have some budget, you have more options. But then on the other hand, why not use something you have so close by and looks like it would be somewhere else? Okay, we're gonna take some more pictures, do a haul, then just kind of give some impressions. Most of my shootings are actually outside, so I rarely shoot in a studio. That's why location scouting is one of the most important things when it comes to my job. And when I go through the city or something, like every spot, just like an angle that looks interesting, I take a picture of my phone and afterwards check where that spot was and just have a look if it fits any current project I'm working on. It's always important to make sure that the location looks, even if you know it, that it still looks as you remember. Oh my god, it's so muddy. It's like super muddy. Definitely have to clean my shoes. We pretty much are at the end, and all of this doesn't match the mood board. So what is a photographer's job when it comes to location scouting? Well, basically, if you designed a mood board together with your client and you put together a vision for the whole shoot, obviously you will know better if this vision will come to life in the location. So it's always important to know where you shoot, because from there you can work, you can adjust, or you can go and say, this is not going to work there, because that can also happen. A second thing you have to think of is like logistics, because if I think shooting here would be impossible, because we would have to get all the clothing down here, for example, so that would be not so ideal. The most important thing is that you can guarantee to make the vision come true, because that's basically your job. Bringing the stuff down here will be a pain as well, but it would be worth the trouble because of this. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Just a little hiking for the lunch break, you know. It's just what I do. More pictures then. We could definitely shoot here, I guess. Oh, that looks awesome. It looks amazing. The people don't step beside this trail, right? So whenever you see trails, just follow the trails, because then the nature on the sides can just live on. That I think is very important, because honestly, without nature, I would be out of my job. Nature is like one of the things that I love when it comes to photography. I like to capture it all by itself, but I especially love it in composition with someone's work, like a designer's work, because it kind of, you know, gets the two together, creates a symbiosis and connects it all. Does that sound very cheesy? I think so. But it kind of gives me, you know, that's the whole reason I'm doing this, because I love it. All the way back up. Since I spent my lunch break location scouting, I'm now going to have some lunch because I'm so hungry. Okay guys, I'm taking my usual walk with my partner in crime who's holding the camera. You can see the moon, but like, probably not good. This is the end of this vlog. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you with location scouting. Comment if you found anything interesting. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.